Imagine ordering something at home and receiving it within minutes, not by a delivery rider, but from a drone descending quietly from the sky. That idea is no longer futuristic. It's becoming real, and it's happening faster than expected. Wing has officially announced plans to expand its ultra-fast residential drone delivery service across the San Francisco Bay Area in the coming months. For the company, this marks a full-circle moment, going back to where it all began. Wing was originally developed inside Google X back in 2012. From the very beginning, the goal was clear: solve one of the most persistent problems in modern logistics, last-mile delivery. Even today, that problem still exists. Whether it's groceries, takeout, or a simple household item you forgot to buy, traditional delivery systems rely heavily on roads. That means dealing with traffic, delays, rising costs, and inefficiencies that affect both businesses and customers. Wing approached this challenge from a completely different angle. Instead of improving roads or delivery vehicles, the company decided to eliminate the road altogether. At the core of Wing's service are lightweight, highly automated drones designed to carry small packages directly to homes. These drones are built to operate efficiently even in dense suburban neighborhoods, where delivery demand is high and time is critical. Customers place an order through partnered platforms, and instead of waiting for a driver, the package is loaded onto a drone. Within minutes, it flies directly to the destination and lowers the item safely to the ground. What once sounded like science fiction is now becoming part of everyday life in certain parts of the United States. Wing's progress is not theoretical. The company reports that it has already completed more than 750,000 deliveries across the country, serving over 2 million customers. This level of adoption shows that drone delivery is not just possible, but scalable. The service is already active in major metro areas like Dallas, Houston, and Atlanta, where customers can receive orders in a matter of minutes. A key part of this growth has been strategic partnerships. Wing has teamed up with major companies like Walmart and DoorDash, allowing users to order a wide range of products, from snacks and groceries to everyday essentials, all delivered quickly by drone. These collaborations have helped integrate drone delivery into existing retail and food ecosystems, making it more accessible to everyday users. The expansion into the Bay Area is particularly significant for Wing. This region is not only known for its openness to new technology, but it also holds historical importance for the company. Early versions of Wing's drone delivery service were tested in Mountain View, specifically on Google's campus. During those early trials, employees had the opportunity to order items and receive them almost instantly via drone. The response at the time was a mix of excitement and curiosity. People were impressed, but they all had the same question: when will this be available at home? Now, after years of development and expansion, Wing is finally ready to bring that experience to residential neighborhoods in the Bay Area. Wing's ambitions go far beyond a single region. The company is working toward building a nationwide drone-powered logistics network that can handle small, urgent deliveries more efficiently than traditional systems. The idea is simple, but powerful. Instead of waiting hours or even days for an order, customers could receive what they need in just minutes. There would be no traffic delays, no need for drivers, and significantly reduced delivery times. This model could also have broader implications for urban mobility and environmental impact, potentially reducing the number of delivery vehicles on the road. As Wing prepares for its Bay Area launch, residents can already sign up for updates and early access. The company is expected to roll out its services gradually, ensuring that operations remain safe, efficient, and reliable. If the expansion goes according to plan, drone delivery could soon become a normal part of daily life in the region. For a place that has long been at the forefront of technological innovation, the Bay Area provides the ideal environment to scale this vision. The way we receive goods is evolving. What used to take hours may soon take minutes. What required roads may now happen through the air. Wing's expansion is more than just a business move. It's a glimpse into the future of logistics, where convenience, speed, and technology come together in a way that reshapes everyday life. And if this trend continues, the next time you forget to pick something up from the store, you might not need to step outside at all. You might just hear a quiet hum above you and look up. So that's it for today. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, peace.